Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The plane's a bit like, the plane isn't as stable. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, here we go. So loud. I hope you can still hear me talking. Because if you see my other video, my flight from Qatar to Manila, I was talking so loud that my seatmate was like waking up. So I just have to be really careful and sensitive about the volume of my voice. She's still sleeping. I think I'm doing a good job.
We are now 221 nautical miles to Manila, and Alright, well done. Well, for this week,
The total flight is about 1.5 hours. Gabriel, our total flight is 1.5 hours.
1 and 15 minutes.
1 and 15. Okay, yes, it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's very fast.
It was a pleasure to have sir. Hope you enjoyed the flight. Salamat po.
And according to our pilot, it's nice and sunny in Manila. Sunny is good, but I hope it's not going to be really hot. Sometimes you can be like 42 degrees Celsius. So sunny is good, but nice and cool weather would be amazing. Maybe around 18 degrees Celsius or 16 would be great with sun. Coffee. I can feel it in my heart. Oh, no wonder it's good. Is there a variant? It's just UCC now.
Just UCC, not
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Right, so guess what?
For safety, comfortable if you take out the lines. If you wish to read, reading lines will be the
Okay, so the coffee that we're drinking is from UCC, which is a really popular brand. I'm not even sure if it's Japanese. It feels like it because there's always Japanese characters in the branding UCC, and that's why it's so delicious. According to the flight attendant, it's their house blend. Now, let's open this. I'm starting to get hungry. It's almost lunchtime. So, the picture looks really nice, but like when you look inside, this is how it looks like. Let me show you. It's amazing what marketing can do. So this versus that. Not so saturated, but what's important is the taste. How does it taste? Oh my god. Can't go wrong with salty peas. Let's see if the mangoes are salty. So I think what it's meant to be is salty and sweet. It's a good match. And it's actually a really good pulutan or chichirya or pika pika if you're having beer or drinks. But yeah, it goes well with the coffee. Let's eat! I wish I could share this with all of you. Here, have a pea.
Approach. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbacks in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades opened, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. We will be coming around to assist you as you prepare for our arrival. Please refrain from removing anything from the aircraft and ensure that your cell phones are in airplane mode.
The time for convenience is 53 minutes past our 12 in the afternoon. Please remain seated for seatbelt fasten until you have a long please check areas on your seats and items in line with for passenger assistance, please delay pass the captain door seats or gowns down. On behalf of Captain Espera, fish officers from the airport, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. A heart for Filipino.
It's actually raining right now, so it's so foggy outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So the forecast a while ago, it was supposed to be sunny. But not anymore. It's raining. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The plane's a bit like... The plane isn't as stable. Oh my gosh, here we go. Looks alright. Oh yeah, we made it down, touchdown Manila. At least we're safe. What an experience, what an adventure. I think it's the coffee kicking in. I'm a little bit like, we're ending. Anyway, we're not anymore in Negros Oriental. Back in Luzon, no more Visayas. Welcome to Manila, everyone. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, we made it to NAIA. I don't know what terminal we're in. Domestic terminal, I suppose. Oh, do you know what? I forgot something. Oh my goodness. Okay, I knew I forgot something. I forgot my yoga mat. forgot my yoga mat. I knew it. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so yeah. See what I mean? I always seem to forget something. So a while ago when I was charging my phone at the airport in Dumaguete, I was like, I better not forget my phone charging. So I've got 3 items with me. The only thing that's lacking is, oh my goodness, it's raining. It's raining. The only thing lacking with me right now is my check-in bag, so it makes 4 items. This feels like arriving in the UK. It's raining. Not the sunniest of Manila weather, huh? Okay, I remember that terminal. That's where we... My gosh, it was just like yesterday. Oh, look at that plane arriving. Look at all the mist from the runway.
Anybody who was left is
Oh, domestic.
Anybody who was left is
But basically, this is their. Oops. Basically, this is their domestic airport. And again, there's so many. Oh my gosh, look at this. Whoa, if I had been any taller, like 6 feet tall, definitely hit that one. So if you're traveling, you're 6 feet tall, arriving at this airport, watch your noggin. Here we are. Airport. Hello. Oh my gosh, look at all the people. There's a lot of people. Woohoo. Wow, wow, wow. And it looks like our luggages are there already. That's a first. I don't even know if that's... let's have a look. I don't know if that's the appropriate conveyor belt. Let's see. Number 3. Dumaguete. Oh no, this is number 5. So we gotta go to number 3. Uy. I wonder where everyone's from in this flight. There's a lot of people waiting for their bags. This is the domestic terminal, so everyone's just going to be flying locally. Maybe that's from Cebu. The next biggest city aside from Manila is first. Well, I think Manila has a lot more population, and then Cebu is next. Yeah, there's number 3 over there. Not too many people arriving from Dumaguete. That's good. That's good though. At least it's not crowded. I super love Dumaguete for so many reasons, and this one added to the list. Yep, and as usual, our luggages are not here yet. I think the longest I've waited for my luggage was about 45 minutes, believe it or not. But sometimes it just takes like 15 minutes, so it really... Oop. Oh, it's heavy. So sometimes it really depends. I've had questions on my Facebook, on my YouTube asking. Some people arrive here internationally and then they have a flight to catch after a few hours, and they're asking me, do you think it's worth getting that flight, just a few hours arriving internationally? And my answer is, I would say no, to play it safe, because sometimes just waiting for your luggages, and then also if you're traveling internationally, then you have to hop onto the domestic airport. It can be traffic outside, so it's really tricky. I would really suggest to just play it safe. Don't get a flight next right after your domestic or international flight so close to each other, just because, yeah, like this one, see, our luggages aren't even there yet. And also some people were asking if there are hotels that they can sleep in, just because their next flight is maybe the day after or just a few hours. Again, if you look around me, I've never seen any hotel in the NAIA terminal. Like, I just have not seen, simply haven't seen any terminal inside. As soon as you get out of the airport though, there's a lot of hotels that you can stay in. But yeah, we're back in Manila officially. Welcome back to Manila. I can't say welcome home because, I don't know, I feel like my home is Negros Oriental, or maybe even the UK. But Manila is not feeling too much like home, except for being with my family and my dog, who's part of my family. But yeah, welcome back. Oh, I see some first signs of luggages. There. Luggage. I have a funny feeling my luggage might come out first because I was one of the first people who checked in. First 10 people, so I don't know if that's how it works. First in, first out, or maybe first in, last out. Who knows? I see my bag, it's over there. I push you closer. So, something wet on my bag. I hope it's yeah, I don't know. I hope it's just rain. But anyway, there we go. My parents are going to be fetching me. I don't have any date or any lover sweetheart to fetch me at the moment, so I'm always third wheeling with my mama and dada. I see some chairs over there. At the moment, they said they're still in Podium, which is a mall over at Ortigas. So I think I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, let's go wait here. Yeah. I don't know what to do. There doesn't seem to be any coffee shops, any stores to look at. It's just pure in and out. Grab your bags, head out. This is like a nice loungy area bit. So, what to do? What to do? They said they'll be here in about 20 to 30 minutes. So, we'll wait. The option is to take a Grab. If you are landing at the domestic airport, you can always take a Grab, download the app, or there's so many taxis outside. They always say not to get the, the green or the yellow taxis, just because, yeah, they seem to charge a lot more. So just do your due diligence. I'd like to say that most of the taxi drivers are honest, but that's not the case, especially in Manila. So sometimes if you book a Grab, it comes out even cheaper than the local taxis. However, sometimes when you just hail a taxi, it comes out cheaper than Grab. It just really depends. So it's nice that, especially if you're a tourist and if you're not from the Philippines, I do hope you get an honest taxi driver. However, I am here to inform you that is definitely not always the case. So if you want to play it safe, just download the Grab app and you'll be able to get a ride from there. If you aren't carrying all these bags like I am and you just have a backpack, I suppose you can get an angkas. So there are two options. An angkas is if you're riding, you're being a pillion and you have a motorcycle rider. So you're the pillion, you can do angkas, A-N-G-A-S, angkas, A-N-G-K-S, or you can download Joyride. So those are two competitors, both offering a motorbike ride to help you get to wherever you need to. If you don't want to take a four-wheel car, you can take a two-wheel motorbike. But there you have it. Commuting in Manila, Vanilla. Alright, so guess what? They're finally outside. If you'll stick around with me, it's my grandma's birthday tomorrow, and I was just watching videos of Beyonce doing Single Ladies, but there's a funnier version, so I'm gonna be practicing that tonight. But for now, my parents are outside bay number 10. Let's have a look. I'm gonna stick you on my bag. Oh my god, the rain. It is definitely raining. I'm gonna stick you on my bag so that I can help my dad, or so that I can load my bags. Okay, you're on my bag. Bay number 10. So this is what the Terminal 2 looks like for the domestic airport. And there's Kuya saying hello. Right, so this is bay number 10. That's 9. They said they're here. I don't really see them anywhere. Okay. Yeah. Oops, where are they? They probably... I think I see them. Whoop! My jacket might follow. Ah, there's Dad! Oh my gosh, the thunder! Hi, Dad! Hello, I'm back. I'll be the one, Dad. I'll be the one. No. I'll be the one. It's heavy, eh? I'll be the one. No. It's heavy. Hi. Oh, the weather is so nasty. Okay, wait, Dad. I'll be the one. Mama, hold my GoPro. It's recording. Say hi. Hi. Record me. Oh, record me. You're scaring the bags. You can skip this part. It's pretty boring. Or you can watch my guns. Okay, if it's fast, that's fine.
I thought you will ride here, on the other side.
Alright!
Yes. Oh, you made
I
it.
made it!
Okay.
There's my mom looking so stylish.
Hi.
Oh, I can actually sit in front.
Yeah.
No one's with Dad. Anyway, that's us. We are gonna fetch my nephew Javi over at Susana Heights, which is gonna be quite the drive if you're coming from Quezon City. That's all the way going to Alabang. That's the south. So I'm back. We're back in Manila. What's that?
I
Ooh.
got you straight from Norway.
Norway.
Yes.
Wow.
Fresh wild salmon.
Look at that.
So,
It's good to be back, I suppose. Wow,
I want to
salmon.
eat it.
Okay, we're gonna share it.
Yeah.
Okay, golden catch. Oh, let's open it.
yeah.
Go for it. I'm actually, wow, I'm starting to feel myself salivate right now. Let's see. It does look fresh.
Yeah, it is.
This is from Podium.
Yeah, they have a food lab in the middle. So, this at least I know it's wild salmon, not the farm
Okay.
salmon.
Yeah. I suppose the more orange the salmon is, then you know it's
It's farm raised.
farmed.
Okay, how do you do this?
Just stare at
Oh, the tape is
Look at that
so strong.
weather. Has it been raining since a while ago?
Just now. Paul and Javi will be there in 30 minutes. Kasi mag-skyway tayo.
Remember taking the scooter in Negros Oriental. I did bring a poncho. I never got to use it, but yeah, we're in a car now. We've got 4 wheels. But if this was raining in Negros Oriental, I'd probably be stuck in my room, or I could have used my poncho.
Is it raining there?
No.
Wala? Okay. It's just a little bit hard.
Ta-da!
Oh wait, you have to sanitize your hand.
Ta-da!
Sanitize.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Don't you want to sanitize?
I do.
No, let's sprinkle lemon.
Okay. Go for it.
Such a tiny lemon though. Oh my god, I don't have
I'll just put it down, but like,
Yeah, I don't
Okay,
have
na full.
not really. The plane wasn't so full. It was a good flight. I mean, Palace, for me, I quite like it more than Cebu Pacific. And then they also gave us really delicious coffee from UCC. And then I brought my Starbucks tumbler. So they kind of pretty much like filled it up close to a little bit more than half. So it was enjoying.
Nice to pan.
Pal. Okay, well, there's the lemon.
And the wasabi. This ginger, pickled ginger. This one I like. I don't like the sauce.
Having picnic in the car. So Filipino.
Very.
We would never be doing this in the UK. First of all, in the Philippines, there's traffic. Point taken over there. It's not really traffic, but yeah, it is traffic, I suppose, in a global standard. So there's a lot of time to eat, watch. There's some cars that even have TV screens inside the vehicles. And
Yeah, there's pickled ginger.
and so you can eat in the car. Salmon, anyone? Mm.
So
Not putting
no?
the soy sauce.
No, oh no. First
Mhm.
I might spill into the like.
Wow. Wow. It really melts in the mouth. Wow.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now I know what to order by the salmon.
Okay, I want to show you what arriving in Manila is like, and I kid you not. So have a look at this. This is our estimate time of arrival. I don't know if you can see it, but a while ago it said 48 minutes.
No,
And
no,
now,
Susana.
yeah. So there you go. And look at all that traffic. So basically, each time I come back to Manila, usually if like I have an international flight, I like arriving early in the morning, maybe around 1 a.m., 3 a.m., between like, I would say midnight to 5 a.m. because I feel like there's less cars. But if you arrive not within those hours, you are gonna be in traffic. Yeah, so imagine that would be the car for 48 minutes. So I think it's been 50 minutes by now, so that's rounded off to an hour. And just to set your expectations, that is what Manila is like if ever you are flying here.
No,